want to do first is we need some inspiration to create our layout. And what I did, as you can see here, is that I went in and I typed in magazine layout examples. Again, you can use the examples from Blackboard, and you can also use some of these online. So what I did was I typed that in, I found some online, and I downloaded those into my thumb drive. And here they are. You're going to download 10, find 10 spreads of inspiration to do. Then you're going to make some sketches of them. And here's what I mean by that. What I did was I went and drew a rectangle as the same shape as the rectangle of my layout, and drew a line down the middle for page 1 and page 2. And then I just drew in some shapes. And let me show you the other one here first. On this left side here, I have an image, so I went in and put an X, meaning that that's an image there. And then I wrote the word pull quote, and I'm going to pull a quote from the text and put it right here nice and big. Then you can see here I have my two bodies of text, my introductory paragraph and then my body copy, and I've got both of those here made with some lines known as Greeking. Now, it's called Greeking because it's just an example of text that looks like Roman numerals and letters, or just lines. And then you can see here there's a title, and I've got title here. So I'm going to make a sketch that resembles this, and then I'll make my 2-page spread off of one of these sketches, so I'm not straight out copying this, but I'm going off of my sketch. Same thing here. So I've got this triangular shape. I drew a triangular shape in the middle and put an X in it, showing that there's a image there. Now there's no title on here, but a title could go here where this big I is, so I wrote title up here, and it's going to bleed over onto my image. And then I've got my body copy, and I put placeholders in here for body copy. And then right down here there's a pull quote. So what a pull quote is, it's something out of the text that the designer wants you to read first. And so the pull quote is right there. You're going to find 10 of these and make 10 sketches. You're going to upload those 10 sketches onto Blackboard. How are we going to do that? What you're going to do is, if you don't have access to a scanner, you can do one of two things. You can draw in Illustrator, or an easier way is that I used a scanning app called Cam Scanner, and I'll spell it out here for you. There we go. So Cam Scanner. So look for that in your apps download on your mobile phone. If you got an app store, you can look for it there. And it is totally free to use, and that's what I used to draw. I drew this out on a piece of paper and then scanned it with Cam Scanner. And you can have those for uploading. When you upload your 10 different sketches, you're going to indicate which 3 you like. So like what we did before with the 2-color poster. And then we'll end up using those three to make some layouts. And I'll show that in the next video.